Here's how you can dial up to 10 lines at the same time using Kixie's PowerDialer. To use the PowerDialer, you're just going to access the bottom right corner. Once expanded, you can see all the power lists in your dialer that you've uploaded through a CSV or straight from your CRM. With Kixie, you can dial all your power lists at the same time or just focus on one list at a time. In this instance, I'm calling out of my cold list. Once I start dialing, you will see a preview of the 10 people that I am dialing at the same time. Kixie will connect me with the very first person to pick up, and all other 9 calls simply drop. Those 9 calls will stay on the list in queue to be dialed at a later time. Let's see how it looks. You can see a preview of the batch dialing. As soon as someone picks up, you see that Kixie takes you to the Details tab. In this tab, you'll see all the information that you've uploaded from that CSV or from your CRM. You could even carry custom fields that project into Kixie. Now, on the left-hand side, directly from Kixie, you can upload and edit contact information like first name, last name, and even preferred email address. When you update contact information, this updates in your CRM as well. You can also schedule activities. In the dropdown, you can select any of which, select the duration of time and date. That will create a native task in your CRM. Now, when you're ready to type in notes that you'd like to save in the CRM, do so here under CRM Notes. Any note that you type in this text box will save in the Contacts Notes section in the CRM. You can use the Powerless Notes text box for more informal notes as well. These notes will only be seen in the PowerDialer, but will not save in the CRM. You can select a callback time. You can also drop a text template that you've created ahead of time. And finally, you can select your call outcome. These outcomes we can match with your outcomes in the CRM. Let's say I book a demo with a contact. This can also trigger in your CRM a workflow that you have set up. In Kixie, it can also remove the contact from the current list that you're dialing from. In this instance, the cold list. This lead will be removed from the cold list and placed into the scheduled demo list. I have set the scheduled demo list to the higher priority, meaning if I select to call from all of my lists, Kixie will know to call from this list first, before the cold list. Now, if I wanted to redial this contact, I can redial target using Connection Boost. Connection Boost will redial your target using a different local number, so it appears as a new caller on caller ID. You can redial a target by selecting Redial Target. With Connection Boost, you will redial that target with a different local number, so it appears that you are a new caller each dial attempt. Once you are done double or even triple dialing that target, you can save and dial next. Save and dial next will immediately save all the notes you have set and begin dialing your next batch of leads. Again, you can dial up to 10 leads at a time using the PowerDialer. And that's how you can use the PowerDialer to reach as many contacts as you can in the shortest amount of time. Thank you for watching. I'm Sarah with Kixie.